Greetings to all. I am Dr. B. Maheshwari, Department of Commerce, Manar Thirumalai Nayakar College, Madurai. Dear students, today we are going to see the meaning of financial services, financial system, etc. Financial system is a network of institutions, market and instruments that facilitates the transfer of funds between savers and borrowers. In financial services, the system's meaning is the framework that enables the flow of capital for economic activities like savings and investment. Structure of financial system. The structure of financial system is a complex network of components that facilitates the flow of funds between savers and the borrowers, that is, the investors. The primary components include financial institutions, financial market, financial instruments, financial services, and regulatory bodies. And the role of financial system in economic development. First one is mobilization of savings. The system encourages individuals and households to save by offering a variety of financial products, example bank deposit, mutual funds, insurance policies and channels. These accumulates the funds into productive instruments. Efficient resource allocation. Financial institutions and markets directs scarce capital to its most productive uses across various sectors including agriculture, industry and services. This ensures that resources are utilized efficiently for projects that contribute most to the national growth, such as infrastructure development, example road, power, oil, etc. Capital formation and investment. By linking savers and borrowers, the financial system facilitates the process of capital formation, providing the necessary innovative long-term and working capital for business and expand innovation and create jobs. Risk management. It provides mechanisms such as insurance, derivatives and diversified information portfolio to manage, mitigate financial risk. Role of financial system in economic development. Point 5. Provision of payment system. The robust payment and settlement infrastructure, example NEFT, RTGS, UPI, ensures smooth, secure and efficient transaction between individuals, business and the government, reducing transaction cost and enhancing overall economic efficiency. Financial inclusion. Initiatives like Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana aim to expand access to banking and credit facilities in rural and undeserved areas, bringing marginalized population into the formal financial sector and promoting inclusive growth. Government financing. The system enables the central and state governments to raise necessary short-term and long-term funds through the issuation of government securities, bonds and bills to finance public services, infrastructure and bridge budgetary gaps. Financial instruments. The financial markets are platform where trading of securities occurs, facilitating the flow of funds between investors and borrowers. Financial markets are crucial to economy as they help mobilize savings, provide liquidity for investment, determine asset prices through supply and demand, and help manage risk. Types of financial market. Capital market, money market and foreign exchange market. Capital market deal with long-term financial instruments such as stock and bonds, providing a source of long-term funding for businesses and governments. Money market deals with highly liquid short-term financial instruments such as treasury bills, commercial papers used for short-term borrowing and lending. Foreign exchange market, the largest and most liquid market globally where currencies of different countries are traded. Financial instruments. Financial instrument is a contractual agreement that can be traded and has a monetary value if it represents an asset to one party and a liability to another. Categories of financial instruments by type, that are cash instruments, derivative instrument, by asset class, equity instrument, debt instruments. Common example for financial instruments are stock, shares, bonds, treasury bills, commercial paper, options, etc. The features of financial market and financial instruments. We can differentiate the financial market from financial instruments by its definition, function, examples, and relationship. Capital market, that is the share market. Capital market are where buyers and sellers trade long-term financial securities like stocks and bonds to raise and invest capital. They consist of primary market where new securities are issued to raise funds and the secondary market where existing securities are traded. These markets are essential for economic growth enabling companies and government to access long-term financing. How capital market work? Raising capital, that is the primary market, and secondary market where investors buy and sell securities, and facilitating investment. Individual investors can buy securities in the secondary market. Components of capital market, that is equity market and debt market, deals with stock which represent ownership in the company. Debt market deals with the bonds and other long-term debt instruments. Importance of capital market: economic development, corporate funding, and individual wealth creation. So these are the importance of capital market. Next one is money market. Money market is a segment of the financial market, specializes in short-term debt instruments with maturities of 1 year or less. It is a crucial part of the global financial system, providing liquidity for government, corporation, and financial institutions to meet their immediate cash flow needs. Characteristics of money market: it is short-term focus, it is high liquid and safety in nature, and it is a wholesale market, and it gets only low returns. Primary participants of money market: government, corporations, financial institutions, and individual investors are the primary participants of money market. Common instruments of money market are treasury bills, commercial papers, certificate of deposits, repurchase agreements, and bankers' acceptances are the common instruments of money market. Primary market operations. Primary market operations involves the issuance of and sale of new securities such as stock and bonds. These operations, which include initial public offering and follow-up public offerings, allow entities to raise capital for expansion, debt repayment, or other strategic purposes, directly benefiting the issuer. Features of primary market: issuance of new securities, capital formation, initial public offerings and other follow-up offerings, role of underwriters and direct funders to the issuers. Role of SEBI in the primary market. In primary market, SEBI plays a vital role. SEBI is a regulatory body for the Indian capital market, and it plays a vital role in both primary and secondary market by protecting investors, promoting market development, and ensuring transparent and fair practices. The primary market is where companies issue new securities to the public for the first time to raise capital through initial public offerings and follow on public offerings and right issues. Role of SEBI in primary market is setting disclosure norms. That is, it is mandated to straighten the disclosure requirements, compelling the companies to provide accurate and timely information. This allows investors to make informed decisions. Regulatory intermediaries. SEBI registers and regulates various intermediaries involved in the issue processes such as merchant bankers, registrars to an issue, underwriters and bankers to an issue, to ensure professional and management orientation. And formulating entry norms, reviewing offering documents, and promoting fair practices are the role of SEBI in primary market. Secondary market operation. Secondary market operations are buying and selling of securities that have already been issued in the primary market. These operations facilitate liquidity for investors to easily trade assets like stocks and bonds, provide a platform for price discovery based on supply and demand, and serve as a gauge for the economic health. Secondary market operations and functions. First one is trading, second one is liquidity. Secondary market offers a liquidity, price discovery, economic indicator, and transfer of ownership. Role of SEBI in secondary market: regulating the stock exchanges, protecting investors, monitoring and surveillance, regulating brokers and sub-brokers, and ensuring efficient clearing and settlement, prohibiting insider trading, and facilitating investors' education and grievance redressal. Functions of stock exchanges: capital formation, liquidity, price discovery, and economic indication are the functions of stock exchanges. It has to be transparent and fair trading, risk diversification, corporate governance, and encouraging savings. Dear students, we have come to a conclusion of financial services and financial systems. Let us continue the financial services subject in the next video. Thank you.